We're using double strand of yarn 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, tapestry needle, and scissors. We're actually making this bow tie for a baby of 3 to 6 months. So we'll be starting with 15 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now if you want a bit longer bow tie or a bit shorter bow tie, either you increase this starting chain or you decrease, but make sure it's an odd number. Now double crochet on the 3rd stitch. Double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, put through, yarn over, put through 2, yarn over, put through 2. So we are going to work double crochet down the stitches. I'll meet you at the very last end. This is what we have. Chain 2, double crochet, double crochet. So I'm going to double crochet back and forth for 5 rows. So I'm going to meet you at the end of the 5th row. We're on the last stitch of the 5th row. One, two, three, four, 5. Now next thing we are going to do is we are going to work 2 single crochet on this end. I want to give it a nice edges. 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet. So now watch carefully. On this middle stitch, that's on the 3rd stitch from the right, third stitch from the left, 3rd stitch from the right. That is the 3rd row rather. So this is what we will do. We'll single crochet here. We'll now make a chain of 25. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 25 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the 4th stitch we are going to single crochet. We're going to single crochet down. So this will be for the strap. We're going to do it on the left and the right. This will be the strap for tying at the back. So single crochet down. So we'll now single crochet back to the previous single crochet. Look at how it is. 2 single crochet on the next row, 2 single crochet on this very last row. Now we are going to single crochet 3 times at this very corner. At this corner we're going to single crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We are going to single crochet. After single crochet 3 times here, now we are going to single crochet on each of the stitch down, on each of the stitch down. And don't forget to always walk over this extra SS stitch. Walk over it like this. single crochet, single crochet. So when you get to this next corner, single crochet 3 times, 2, 3 for every corner. We'll single crochet 3. Now back to this other end, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet here, another 3, 4, 5, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the fourth stitch, single crochet, single crochet, back to the previous one, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet here, and 3 single crochet at the corner, 3 single crochet. Now single crochet down the stitches, single crochet, single crochet. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are to subscribe, and click on the notification button to be able to get my video once it's out. Now 3 single crochet on this corner, 2, 2, 3, slip stitch on the first stitch, chain 1, cut off your yarn. Next thing you are going to do is to gather the middle point. And here is how you go about it. I'm going to work in on the exact middle point of this rectangle shape. Working on the exact middle point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We started with chain 15 on the 7th stitch. We're working on the 7th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7th on the right, 7th on the left. Watch carefully as I'm about to go about it. So this is the wrong side, this is the right side, this is the wrong side, this is the right side, this is the wrong side, and this is the right side. So from the wrong side, insert your hook and go into the middle stitch, back and forth. Take it in, bring it out on the other end. Take it in, bring it out on the other end, and pass it in. I'm cutting off this excess. Now next thing we're going to do is gather it. Gather it and sew and tie at the back firmly. Very simple. Just tie it firmly at the back. Tie very firmly at the back. Make sure you are tying it at the back. So we are tying. Next thing is to weave in our excess yarn. So this is the back. Same as these two excess strands of yarn. We are at the end of our project. Look at how beautiful it is. You just simply tie this at the back. So if you find this tutorial very useful, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to get more of these beautiful videos. Goodbye, and see you some other time.